Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's class we will learn determinants 5 marks, fifth question dear students. Let us see what they had asked the question. Solve the system of equations using matrix method dear students. 2x plus 3y plus 3z is equal to 5. X minus 2y plus z is equal to minus 4. 3x minus y minus 2z is equal to 3. So this question we have to solve by what? Using matrix method dear students. So how to begin you see here. First you write like this. First you have to write the given. The given system of equations. The given system of equations can be written in the form ax is equal to b dear students. Ax is equal to b. Where what is a now? Maximum students will think that ax is equal to b we have written. Where a is, I will write here. Try to understand. See which bracket I am using. Square bracket I am using dear students. Can you observe? I am not using parallel lines sir. I had used what? Square bracket dear students. Capital A is equal to. See A how to write. In front of x what it is? 2 or not? 2 you have to write here. So in front of y 3. I have given space here. So in front of z what it is? 3. Again you have to write 3. So similarly you see here in front of x what it is? 1. 1 you have to write here below. And here it is minus 2. Don't write plus 2. Minus 2 dear students. And similarly in front of that is 1. So now next is 3. Minus 1. Minus 1 here. And here minus 2. I hope everyone understood how to write capital A dear students. And now what is capital X? Capital X is, we have to write like this. Capital X is, even this also bracket you see, it's a small xyz you have to write here. I had used square bracket only again. I had not used parallel lines dear students. Parallel lines I had not used. I had used square bracket. You also should have to write in exam like square bracket only. Capital X is what? X, Y, Z. And now next is capital B. Capital B you have to write like this. So capital B is what here? 5 minus 4, 3. You have to write like this. 5 minus 4 and 3 dear students. So this is the one more method which I had updated here. Please go through very clearly, and I had even discussed with senior lecturers also. Even board exam also they will give the marks. Don't worry, you can use this method now. So I had solved many problems on this 5 marks. And even you see this method also, this is also very easiest method which we can update it here. So now see here, after this how to write. So A is the norm. This A if you take on RHS, this side, it will become A inverse dear students. X is equal to what? A inverse we can write. So call this as equation number 1. So where A inverse is what? What is A inverse? Where A inverse is equal to, see here, where A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A dear students. You know basically these many problems we have solved on this. Where A inverse is what? A inverse how to write you observe. How I am writing observe carefully. A raised to minus 1 I have written dear students. Many of you will write only A dash. A dash if you write it will become A transpose. So please remember A raised to minus 1 you have to write. Here also I have written A raised to minus 1. Where A inverse is 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A. First we will find what? Determinant. So therefore determinant you write dear students. See. Determinant. So determinant how to write you see. I had used parallel lines. Can you observe? How I am writing can you observe? Parallel lines I had used. I am not using square bracket because it's a determinant. This is matrix. This is determinant. So matrix is always represented by square bracket or otherwise open bracket will come. Here determinants are always represented like this. So what is the A value? A is 2, 3, 3, 1 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 1 minus 2. And you know formulas very well. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So expand here R1. Directly I will solve today. So you can write like this only, will get marks, dear students. I promise you. Maths Lageraho will promise you, dear students, you will get 5 marks by writing like this. I had confirmed from the board only. I am saying you. Karnataka board I had discussed with the directors, and that's why I am saying you will get the marks if you write like this. Don't worry. So we will work on this now. Plus. So expanding R1 means row 1 is this only, plus, minus, plus. So plus 2 I will write. Where plus 2 is there? In first row, first column. See, plus 2 is in what? First row, first column. You leave this. What you are left with? Minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 2. First row, first column you leave. Minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 2. So now how to multiply? You see, minus into minus, plus 2 2s are 4, dear students. You have to multiply this and this. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. Before multiplying this and this, you have to write minus sign here. So minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, dear students. Clear? So next, minus into 3, minus 3. See here, minus into 3 is minus 3. Second one, how I am writing? Many of you will ask, here if it is minus, minus into minus, plus it will become. But here it is a plus, minus into plus is minus 3, dear students. And 3 where it is? 3 where it is? In first row, second column you leave. See here, 3 is in first row and here in second column. You leave this. What you are left with? 1, 1, 3, minus 2. So how to multiply? You see, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Before multiplying this and this, you have to write minus sign here. 3 into 1, 3, dear students. Clear everyone now? 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Minus you write before multiplying this and this. 3 into 1 is 3. That will become minus 3. Clear? Next one you see. Plus into 3. Plus 3. Where plus 3 is there? In first row, last column. What you are left with? See, 3 is where? 3 कहाँ है? पहला रो में है, last column. इसको छोड़ना है. 3 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. 1 minus 2, 3 minus 1 will remain. Clear? इसको छोड़े तो 1 minus 2, 3 minus 1 बचता है. 1ನೇ ರೋ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. 3 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. 1ನೇ ರೋ 3ನೇ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ 1 minus 2, 3 minus 1 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. So now see here. How to multiply? 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Minus you write. Before multiplying this, you have to write minus. I am not saying here you have to write minus. No, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 directly. When you are multiplying this, that time you have to write minus sign, dear students. I hope it is clear for you. So 3 into minus 2, minus 6, dear students. Clear? So now how much you will get? You see. Minus into minus, plus 1. And minus 3 I will write as it is. Minus 2, minus 3. Minus 2, minus 3, if you add them, you will get minus 5. Don't write plus 5. We are adding them, not multiplying. Got it? So plus 3 as it is, I will write minus 1. Minus into minus, plus 6 you will get. So now see here, dear students. 2 into 4 plus 1 is 5. Minus into minus, plus 3 into 5 will remain. Clear? Minus into minus, plus 3 into 5 is written as it is. So 3, 6 minus 1. This is minus 1, don't get confused. 6 minus 1 is 5, dear students. How much you will get? You see, 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. Again 3 5s are 15. How much you got? 10 plus 15 is how much? 25. 25 plus 15 is 40. 40 is not equal to 0, dear students. Why it is writing not equal to 0 means, if determinant value is equal to 0 means A inverse does not exist. 1 by 0 is not defined. So that's why A inverse does not exist when it is 0. But 40 is not a 0. It is a not equal to 0, dear students. If it is not equal to 0 means A inverse exists. I hope it is clear for you. So please copy. We'll continue the answer here in this side. Please copy this side. We'll continue. I hope all of you have copied. So let us see now, dear students. Determinant A is equal to 40 we got. Then A inverse exists. We have to write here what? Therefore, A inverse exists. One thing we got. So then, I have to find what now? Adjoint of A. This is the biggest change we have brought into the task here. So how to solve, you see. Very importantly and differently we have done. So slightly you may feel something is new. I think if you are in your college they are taught means no problem. So that means it's a really great thing they are taken. So adjoint of A, how to find, you see here, dear students. So now see the bracket how I am using and all. A very big difference we have made. So first we have to make arrangements. So you know this signs very well. Sign. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. As is we will follow. And you know that adjoint of A means we have to find the cofactors. That is capital A11, A12, A13. Similarly, we will find here also. A11 we have to find. So here you know plus sign will come first. So A11, see very clearly observe, dear students. We are writing a plus, minus, plus as it is we have used. No change in the writing. Can you observe? Minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. I hope you are observing. Clearly here we will stop. This much we have to make the arrangement first. Can you observe the main thing what we have done here? Adjoint of matrix. Adjoint of A is outside. Can you see square bracket I had used? Inside can you see parallel lines. Inside these are determinant, dear students. This is the main difference which we are bringing here. So outside many of us had seen the students will write these are parallel lines. Parallel lines nahi hai. So they are in square. Understood? Square bracket you have to use. So now this one you see. First row, first column. So you have to leave first row, first column. So A11 you will find like this only, no? You have to leave what? First row, first column. What you are left with? Minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 2, dear students. Clear? First row, first column. Next, A12. A12 means here. First row you leave, second column. You see, this one and this one you have to leave. First row you leave, second column you leave. So what you are left with? 1, 1, 3, minus 2. So adjoint of A, how we will write? A11 here. Next A12 here you will write. A12 I will write here only. 1, 1, 3, minus 2. See here. A1, 1, 1, 3, minus 2. This is the biggest change we have brought. That's why I am saying we are solving in different method. So now see here. Next is what? Here. A13. A13 means what? First row you leave. First row. And last column you leave. What you are left with? Can you see? First row you have left and last column you have left. You are left with what? 1 minus 2, 3 minus 1. 1 minus 2, 3 minus 1. Now A21. 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 2 means what? Second row, first column. 2, 1 means. Second row you leave this. Can you see? Second row you have to leave. First column you leave. You are left with what? 3, 3, minus 1, minus 2. 3, 3, minus 1, minus 2, dear students. And this question I have given you as a homework. Many of you have not commented. Only few students are commented. That's why I am solving this question. and this was which I had left and using with the different method which you can update in upcoming problems. Fine. So now see here A22. So A22 it is, A22 means what? You have to leave second row, second column. So you are left with what? 2, 3, 3 minus 2. 2, 3, 3 minus 2 dear students. Clear everyone? So next up, A23 now. Second row, third column. Second row you leave, third column you leave. A23 no, second row, third column you leave. 2, 3, 3 minus 1 dear students. 2, 3, 3 minus 1 dear students. I hope everyone it is clear. So now see here, what will happen? Now A31. A31 you will write, I know that, you also know very well. A31 how to write? A31 means third row you leave. Third row you have to leave this, third row this is the, and first column you have to leave. Third row, first column you leave. What you are left with? 3, 3 minus 2, 1. 3, 3, 3, 3 minus 2, 1 dear students. This is minus 2. This is 3, 3 minus 2, 1. Now don't get confused. So next up, A32. A32. Third row you leave. Second column you leave. You are left with what? 2, 3, 1, 1. 2, 3, 1, 1. So next up, third row, third column you leave. This one. Third row, third column. See here. Third row, third column you leave. You are left with 2, 3, 1 minus 2. 2, 3, 1 minus 2. So this is how we are using for what? Finding adjoint of A dear students. So you know how to solve this one very well. So please copy this side. We'll continue this side only because space is not there to write adjoint of A. I'll continue here dear students. Please copy this one. I hope all of you have copied. Now let us find adjoint of A dear students. So this is really, you feel, or I also feel very comfort when we are finding adjoint of A dear students. So now this is very clearly you can find adjoint of A. Now observe dear students, this one simplification, I will not write, I will not show simplification here, direct we will solve. Minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4, minus I will write, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. You know when you are multiplying the minus 1 and 1, we have to write minus sign first. Minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4. After 4, you have to write minus sign dear students. Before multiplying minus 1 and 1. You must write. अब क्या करना चाहिए? माइनस को लिखना चाहिए. ये मल्टीप्लाई होने के बाद माइनस 2 और माइनस 2 मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं ना, 4 आ जाएगा. ये 4 आने के बाद ही माइनस लिखना. सो बाद में इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. माइनस 1 and 1 ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಮತ್ತು ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 4 ಬಂದ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆನೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. अर्थ आएगा. सो होने के बाद इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस एंड दिस. -1 and 2 1 is -1. So how much you will get? Minus into minus plus 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 we will get, dear students. This is 5 we will get. I hope it is clear everyone. Minus into minus plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Clear everyone? 5 we got. Outside plus is there, no doubt. Plus into plus, plus 5 only. Understood? So this is one simplification. Second one I will show, dear students. Observe here, minus sign is there outside. Outside minus sign is there. Now see, 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Minus you write, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. How much you will get? Minus outside, minus 6, minus into minus, plus 3. Minus 6 plus 3. Minus 3, minus into minus, plus 3, dear students. I hope everyone are understanding. I think this is very clearly we are writing. I will write little bit upper adjoint of A. It's a smaller, no, that's fine. Now see, next one is what? We'll write. So this is plus. No doubt you can write or you may not write plus sign. Doesn't make any sense. 3 1 ja 3 minus you write. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, dear students. Minus into minus plus 3 plus 6 is 9, dear students. 9 you have to write. So next up, you see next one minus sign. I will erase this one. Simplification. So now see here minus sign I will write 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus you write minus sign written 3 into 1 3. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. I am not multiplying, I am adding. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Minus into minus plus 5, dear students. Many of you will write minus. So that is going to be a wrong. So next up, you multiply this and this now. Plus sign is there, no doubt. You cannot use here. If you write or you may not write symbol, doesn't matter. Plus sign को अब लिखो या ना लिखो क्या फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus you write 3 3s are 9. How much you will get? Minus 4 or minus 9 is minus 13, dear students. Clear everyone? So next up, minus sign is there outside. Minus you write. Next up, 2 1 ja 2. Minus you write. 1 3s are 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1, dear students. Everyone clear? So next one. You observe this one. 1 into minus 1 minus you write. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Minus into minus plus 6. 6 minus 1 is 5 again. All are getting column 1 is seeing. Everyone can see 5 5 5 we got. So next one minus sign is there. Very careful minus sign. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus you write 3 into 3 that is 9. So minus 2 minus 9 is minus 11. Minus into minus plus 11, dear students. I hope it is clear everyone. So next up, you see 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus you write 1 into 3 3. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Before multiplying this minus sign 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 4 or minus 3 is minus 7, dear students. I hope everyone it is clear. Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A we got. You see the way of writing how I had changed. Before one you have seen already, and now you are observing fifth question how I am solving. This is the updated version from the board. So please go through this and which we are using in Maths Lageraho. So now see here. Now we will write equation 1 will become. Therefore, equation 1 becomes. You have equation 1, dear students. You have copied now. Just now you have copied. So therefore, equation 1 becomes. Equation 1 is what? X is equal to A inverse into B. X is equal to what? A inverse into B. What is the A inverse? A inverse is what? 1 upon determinant A or not? 1 upon determinant A you have written A inverse. Determinant A is how much? 40 into adjoint of A. See the bracket how I am using. Here square bracket. I have not used a parallel line. If you use it, you will lose the marks in exam. Be careful. Please use matrix only, dear students. Don't use determinant. Got it? So now see here, adjoint of A, 5, 5, 5, 3 minus 13, 11, 9, 1 minus 7. A inverse I wrote, X is equal to A inverse into B. B is what? B, I don't have here. I think I will see what is the B value. 5 minus 4, 3. You have, dear students, 5 minus 4, 3. Clear? B everyone you know. X is X inverse I had written. Equation 1 becomes A inverse into B. We have written A inverse is what? 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A into B. B is written here. B is also in matrix, not determinant. Got it? So you before don't multiply 1 by 44 this. You multiply this both first. You know how to multiply? matrices row into column. So now see how much we will get. 1 by 40 you write, dear students. Everyone observe very carefully. First row, first column. We have to multiply what? First row, first column. 5 5s are 25. Next up, first element to first I multiply. Now second to second. 3 into minus 4, minus 12. 9 into 3, 27. Clear up? Closing. So first row, first column. All together one. Don't write separately. First row, first column. This is 5 is where? First row, first column or not? Only one, no? So similarly this also. First row, first column is only one. First row, second column is there? No. Then we will stop here only. Clear? Now second row, first column. 5 5s are 25, minus into minus, plus 13 4s are 52, 1 into 3, plus 3, dear students. So now see here. Next, third row, first column. 5 5s are 25, 11 into minus 4, minus 44, minus 7 into 3 is minus 21. So how much you will get? You see 1 by 40, and if you add them, see 25 minus 12 is 13. 13 plus 27 is 40, dear students. So next, 3 plus 52, 55. Ulta we are doing. 3 plus 52 is what? 55. 55 plus 25, 60, 70, 80 you will get. 80, dear student. If you want, you can use the calci. Simple calci is allowed in board exam. So now see here. 25. Oh, very big. Minus 44 or minus 21. First we will add this. 1 you give for this 45. Minus 45. Minus 65 will get. Minus 65 or 25. Plus 25. 25 minus 65 is how much? That is minus 40 will get, I think. Clear? Everyone understood? So now see here, how much you multiply 1 by 40 inside, how much you will get? You see, x is equal to 1 by 40. If you multiply 40 1 ja 40, next 40 1 ja 40, 2 ja 80, 41 ja this is minus sign is there, minus 1 you will get. So therefore you will get the values. How much? X value. Capital X is what? X, Y, Z, no? X value is 1 and Y value is 2. Z value is minus 1, dear students. And I have told you, if you want to verify this is correct or wrong, you put in equation. One equation what we have done, I will say you. That is what we have taken. 2x plus 3y, 3z is equal to 5. This is what we have to get. If you substitute this value, we have to get this answer 5. If it is not giving 5 means 100% it is wrong. So let us check. Because in exam I have seen many of you will ask your friends. Not required, dear students, to ask your friends. We can verify ourselves. And how to verify? You see here. I will substitute 2 into 1. Y value is 2 and Z value is minus 1. See, 2 1 ja 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So now see, 6 minus 3 is how much? 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. That is 100% we have got, no? That is correct answer we have got, dear students. I hope it is clear. And new method, most probably you may like this method, I think. This is for your extra I had written, not required to write in board exam. This much is enough. So I hope you are understood everything and you are liking this video. Means please like and subscribe my channel. We will meet you in my next class. Tab tak Lageraho maths ke saath. And please remember, dear students, each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. I hope you will support and help me, dear students. Thank you, dear students. Please copy this.